My name is Prince Wallo. I head the project management function at Coalesce Management Consulting. Coalesce Management Consulting is an industry-leading management consultancy business, and we have global footprints across EMEA and APAC. Our sectors include renewable energy, power and transmission, advanced engineering, and conventional energy. Our core drivers from the project team is to excel at managing clients' projects and also fostering stronger relationship with our customers. In today's podcast, I'll share some best practices that contribute to our project success, how we interact with our clients, our safety culture, and advantages our services offer to customers. Project success. At the heart of our success is our commitment to effectively manage our projects successfully. To achieve this, our team prioritizes scope, promote transparency, foster open communication with our stakeholders, and are meticulous in planning as well. This approach ensures that we don't only meet but exceed our clients' expectations. So our team's dedication to delivering quality results sets us apart in the industry. Client engagement. Consistent client engagement is a cornerstone of our methodology. We view our clients as partners throughout the entire project lifecycle, and through regular updates, collaborative decision making, and flexibility in adapting to evolving needs defines our engagement model. This ensures that the final deliverables align precisely with our client's vision and project objectives. Health and safety commitments. Safety is paramount in every project we undertake. Our comprehensive health and safety protocols are designed to create a secure work environment for our team and all stakeholders. We go beyond compliance, implementing proactive measures to mitigate risk and uphold the highest industry standards. The commitment does not only protect our workforce but also safeguard the integrity of the project and our customers. Client benefits. Our streamlined process reduces project complexities, saving valuable time and resources. Additionally, our commitment to quality and safety ensures the longevity and sustainability of the completed project, providing enduring value to our clients. At Coalesce Management Consulting, we don't just manage projects, we orchestrate success stories. Our unwavering commitment to transparent communication, client engagement, health and safety, and delivering tangible benefits positions us as a partner of choice for your next project. Visit sptdeliver.com to partner with us today.